Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new NFT video on the channel where we will be talking about a brand new Solana NFT project that is minting in 2 days. Super exciting project that I will probably try to mint myself. I just love the artwork on this project. That's why I'm making a video about it. So if you enjoy this NFT content and want to see more Solana NFT content, make sure to smash that like and subscribe down below, and tell me if there's any specific NFT projects you want me to cover on this channel down in the comment section. And with that said, let's jump right into it. The project is called Red Panda Squad, and I absolutely love this artwork. As you can see, it launches on 19th of September. The mint price for these will be 2.8 Solanas, so a bit on the higher side, but I think it's worth it. I will probably try to mint some myself just because the artwork is fabulous. They have a bunch of partnerships coming up that I will be talking about in this video, as well as a decent following. So right here, there will be 10,000 of these red pandas, and they're also developing a Red Panda Squad game so that you basically can use your NFT and your panda in the metaverse. So super exciting stuff. Let's go over the basics of this project. As you can see, it launches in 2 days. They have 7.3k followers on Twitter, but this will probably grow over the next couple of days once the launch gets closer as well. And their Discord group has 5.5k members. Now, if we head over to their website, this is what it looks like. You can basically learn everything about the project right here. And they have this awesome feature which showcases their design basically and their artwork. And I think these are absolutely fabulous. Like, look at this cute guy. He has a crown, he has a Solana chain. I just love it. It's super unique and it's just way higher quality and way better than most other Solana NFT projects that I have seen so far, and that's why I think this could become a big project on Solana. And here's basically their roadmap. They have features on secondary markets, they have YouTube videos, Twitter campaigns, TikTok campaigns, Instagram campaigns, Telegram, Facebook campaigns, Discord voice chat, AMAs, high traffic test runs, and then they will be donating up to $100,000 if the entire thing sells out to a charity, which is super awesome. And then they have partnerships, celebrity and influencer onboarding, weekly DJ live sets for our holders, real life events, ongoing partnerships, RPS merch, mainstream brand growth, and then just a bunch of other awesome plans. They even have a merch store, so if you want to buy some of this merch, you can easily do that. I think some of these looks amazing, like this pillow right here. And this project is also backed by some big influencers like CryptoRand, which is partnering with Red Panda Squad, which is a big profile on Twitter, of course. He's a trader and investor and blockchain advisor. As you can see right here, 277,000 followers. So this is a really big deal. And they are also partnering with Mercurial Finance, which is a DeFi platform on Solana, which is also super cool. Plus another partnership with Graffiti Kings. Graffiti Kings basically make these awesome art pieces, and they've actually made a deal with Red Panda Squad, so they will be painting one of the pandas in London, which is super cool. I'm really looking forward to that. Look how awesome that is right there. And one of the biggest things, obviously, they have a bunch of confirmed listings. They have confirmed listings on Solana Art, Digital Eyes, FTX US, and Magic Eden. So obviously all of the big marketplaces for Solana NFTs, Red Panda Squad will be listed on. So I just absolutely love this project. I will definitely try to mint at least one of these. As I said, I do think this could become one of the bigger projects on Solana. Obviously, I have seen more followers on other projects, but followers aren't everything. Like, great design and artwork will reflect in price and community and growth over time, because there's a lot of shitty projects out there that has a bunch of followers, a big community, but because of their shitty art and design, the price just doesn't do anything. Now this project has great design, super unique. They have these super cute pandas, which actually also will have use case where they can be used in the metaverse. Plus, of course, a bunch of partnerships and a bunch of confirmed marketplace listings. So this project has everything in my opinion. But obviously this is not financial advice. Do your own research, obviously. But I will leave their important links down in the description so you can go check them out for yourself. Of course, as I said, launch is in only 2 days, mint price 2.8 Solana. And if you like this video and want to see more of this content where I basically cover the NFT projects on Solana that I think has the most potential, definitely smash that like and subscribe down below, and tell me if there's any super cool upcoming projects on Solana that I should cover. And with that said, I will see you guys later. Peace.